Kate here with WTI. Now, if your pot storage was a complete disaster like mine, this behind me is going to be a game changer. This is the ORDORA pot storage system, and it's incredible. So it's completely customizable. You can set it up for exactly the distance you need between your pots and pans. It's nice and sturdy. It holds up to 10 pounds per level. And you can even use it on its side to just have upright slots for lids or whatever you want to store upright. It has nice rounded edges, so it's not scratching up your pots. It also has rubber feet so that it stays in place in your cupboards. It honestly took my cupboard from disaster, mess, all the things stacked and falling in on each other, to nice and organized, easy to access, easy to put away and store. I absolutely love the way that this has organized my life. I think that this cupboard is so much more user-friendly. So if you have the same issues, you have things falling in on themselves, no room to put anything, you're gonna love this customizable pot storage. I promise you, it's awesome, and that's my point of view.